Greetings everyone. Here I am Astha from school Puranmurti to teach you a topic from class 11th. The chapter is work, power, energy and the subtopic is work. I am going to teach you just the basics of work, so here we go. Work in terms of biological terms, we say when the energy in ATP form is released in our body and it is put down to something which is kind of giving a work is known as work. But in physical terms, unless and until that energy is used to displace a thing from one place to another, it is not called as work. So just to note it down in a mathematical way, we say that work is equal to force into displacement. Means the force meant to displace a thing from one place to another is known as work. Here, we write it in vector form. Vector form is a form in which we see the direction and the magnitude of the particular element, and here the vector form of work is F and S, which we can simplify in the form of Fs cos theta, saying that if I say a block is kept right here and I say the force is in this direction, if it moves from this to this place, means A to B, the displacement made by this is D, I would write that the force is equal to mean it 10 Newton 10 into D and the theta between this, which will be cos theta. Now getting on to some very basic and important topics of work, we would say some theoretical parts like work will not depend on any other element, as work displacement in the work is not a vector product, it is a scalar element. We could say that work straight away depends on the side of the force done. If the force applied is in right direction and work goes in right direction as well, the work would be said as positive. But if the direction of force and the work done is opposite to each other, we could say it as negative force. And then same goes to zero work. When we put a force on something and it does not move, it does not make any displacement, it is said as zero work. A very common example of this would be if I push this wall backwards, it would not move. But am I putting my energy? Yes, I am. But is it moving? No, it is not. So we could say it is work, but it is zero work. Saying that if I displace a cube to this side, supposing it as a magnet, and I have another magnet here with the same poles, if I push it the right direction or the left direction, it will move away because it creates repel. Like poles attract and unlike poles attract but like poles repel. Same as in here, if I say this is a example of negative force, if I push the north pole to the north pole, it will repel, creating a negative work done, which will create work but in a negative direction.